Peace, kings and queens. Welcome to my channel. I'm Intuitive Flow. If you are new, welcome on in. Thank you all for your love, your support, your likes, comments, and subscribes. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you. This is going to be for the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn for the next 7 days. Normally, I don't put a time frame on my reading, so even if you see this after 7 days and it resonates, take heed. If it does not flow, let it go, all right? This is general, so if you are looking for a personal session with me, my information is below. I do have a March special right now for $36.36 for a 15-minute love reading with me. I'm sending you all peace, healing, love, and prosperity, also health and wealth. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves, loving yourselves, honoring yourselves and those around you. All right, so let's get into it for the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying the moment fully. So you guys are attracted to somebody that you trust. I feel like that is attractive to you. The fact that you can trust somebody is a turn on. You're going to be realizing that with somebody. Unrequited love here flew out. There's not enough attraction, chemistry. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Wow, that turned. But then we have give this relationship a chance. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. For some of you guys, there could be opposing thoughts to what attraction is, or how you correlate to attraction, or what attraction feels like. Or this could be your person. Because on one hand, there's attraction. On the other hand, someone is like, there's not enough attraction here. So I'm picking up on something in regards to physicality. Somebody staying very surface level. Somebody not seeing the bigger picture as it pertains to what this relationship could possibly be. We have message of concern, distant horizon, and false person. Nah, some of you guys are definitely seeing somebody for who they really are. There's something around like, nah, all this fronting and faking, acting like you really love me or like me or care for me, that shit is done. It's unrequited. It's like somebody was faking an attraction for you. They were faking this chemistry. The representative has left the building, is what I'm hearing. So there's somebody who you trust coming in. Clarify trust. And this situation is causing you to have faith. Yes, sudden wealth, the number 11, master number. You could be dealing with somebody with the master number 11 or a life path number 11, or you could be a life path number 11. 777 is significant here. Bad health in the reverse here. I like to see that. I feel like you're definitely coming up with this person. Like this is a come up. And not that you're looking for that. It's adding to what you already have or who you already are. There's something in regards to having mutual faith. You guys could share the same morals, integrity, and values. You guys are on the same level, on the same page as it pertains to financial stability here. You both are into fitness and health and wellness here. Okay, I see you guys investing into that. I feel like this person is going to give you a solid foundation to trust them to get you to the next level as it pertains to not only romance, but to what true romantic relationships are supposed to manifest while in a partnership here. What is this attraction? This is causing you to attract this person more. Or this is causing you to be more attractive to this person. Yeah, occupation. The number 34 breaks down to 7 here. Look, 7, 7, 7-7. The number 777 is very significant here for you, earth signs. And then we have occupation with attraction. I'm telling you, this person's love for their occupation attracts you. You love that shit. You love how passionate they are about what it is that they do in their career, especially as if it's involving fitness or health, something like that. With bad health in reverse, this person is very tuned in, tapped in, and turned on to their body. Listen, wealthy man just flipped over. I'm not gonna play. The number 13 breaks down to 4 here. You could be dealing with, I can't even get it out. You could be dealing with the Cancerian, a Scorpio, or an Aries here. Privileged lady, you about to be in your rightful place here, earth signs. You about to be in your rightful place. I'm also getting Pisces energy, the number 13, 5. There's Taurus. Somebody's birthday could be May 12th. This could be you, Taurus. That could be you. You got a wealthy man coming in. You're going to be thrusted into sudden wealth. You could meet this person at a casino. You could meet him at a private party here. I'm picking up on like a private gathering. Only the elite is involved here. Yep. We have ascending, transcending obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union. Just period. This is an ascension union. Okay. You are what you attract. This union is going to go to new heights and there's no limits. Trust. Trust that shit. Yeah, I'm hearing don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Listen, we have kisses and we have love call. Unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. I'm still in love with you, boy. I don't know where that came from. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Yes, some of you guys could definitely be dealing with the fire sign. This came out for fire signs. Damn. We have boat and the runner. Receiving what you need. Runner in codependent relationship. Fear of intimacy. Listening to ego. Yeah, and this is under the unrequited with wealthy man. I see you running from this unrequited love and you're finally receiving what you need and receiving what you want. You're moving on towards into this wealthy man. Just period. Get it, earth signs? All right. Get that shit. Let's get some tarot for the earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn for the next 7 days and thereafter. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's the moon, Cancerian, and there is the high priestess. Wow. Pisces. I told you some of y'all dealing with the Cancer or Pisces. This is going to be like a very secretive union. And it's giving me the elite again. With the moon and the high priestess, 2 of wands. It's like you guys are preparing and planning for your showcase or some shit. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody telling you, look, this is how we got to do it. There's something around secrecy and deception, but it's for the betterment of the relationship. There's something around, if you want something you never had, you have to do something you've never done. A lot of you guys, earth signs, could have been quick to want to showcase your relationship or be broadcasted or let the world know you're in love. But there's something about keeping this under wraps for the time being. Especially if this is new love, because you guys want to definitely build that firm, solid foundation under your feet where nothing or no one can penetrate the connection or the union. Because I see men or women from your past or this new person's past coming out of the woodworks. Because I'm picking up, you were chosen out of a line of people. You were the chosen one. 7 of Wands. Okay, this person is protecting you. They're protecting the union. I feel like this person has a lot to tell you. They're going to have a lot to reveal to you. And it's going to be up to you to want to move forward. Justice. I feel like you should be appreciative of this. Because as I said earlier with that unrequited love, that person was wearing a mask for so long. Now you're dealing with someone who is completely transparent. And they need you to trust them to take the lead on this. I feel like your justice is you getting someone who is completely open and honest with you. Death card. This is a new thing. This is a new thing. This is something you ain't never had. This is a complete transformation. Could be with a Scorpio. Or you can have Scorpio in your chart. Oh, this person about to change your life. Justice in the Death card. What you need. What you need. You finna be a whole new person. Brand new individual. Are you ready for the ride? Is what I just heard. Are you ready for the ride? I feel like I need to write that down. 7 of Swords in the reverse. Yeah, I told you this person don't got no secrets. They don't got no secrets. They want you to know everything about their past. They want you to know everything about their present. What they have in store for the future. This person wants to make sure you guys are in alignment. Are you ready for the ride, Earth signs? All right. And I did just pick up too, like, this is probably this person's favorite position too. Not to get all freaky deaky, but they like to get rode or they like to ride. But 7 of Swords in the reverse, I love this. With the Chariot, listen, forward movement. Queen of Swords. Earth sign said, yeah, what we doing? 9 of Cups. With the Page of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yeah, baby. Do that. What? Do that. What? Do that. Do that. Yeah. A lot of butterflies here too. Butterflies are significant. You may be seeing them more often than not. You can have tattoos of butterflies or thinking about getting one. You guys could be getting matching tattoos also is what I'm hearing. Complete transformation taking place here. All right. So that's what I have, Earth signs. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.